The first thing that patients notice is an outcome. However, this outcome is grounded in knowledge, experience, and strong sense of professional responsibility. As the Dean of the Faculty of Dentistry, I would like to show you how this professional journey begins. At the Faculty of Dentistry of the European University, students receive a comprehensive 5-year education that combines theoretical knowledge with clinical training. From the early stages of their studies, students are actively involved in daily clinical activities. The experience gained throughout the program enables graduates to enter their professional careers with well-developed clinical competencies. During the educational process at our university dental clinic Dent, you will work with patients under the supervision of highly qualified professionals. This will give you the opportunity to apply acquired knowledge in practice. The university is equipped with modern, advanced digital educational resources, laboratories, and simulation centers that support high-quality learning. Before entering clinical stage, training is held in the simulation environment, where each student acquires the necessary practical skills and competencies to perform different manipulations and procedures. In addition, students are encouraged to participate in scientific research, gain international exposure, and continue to develop in dynamic, growth-oriented academic environment. Beyond Erasmus exchange programs, the university offers fully funded opportunities for the students to undertake clinical practice at the partner universities in different countries. You make the decision, and we take responsibility for your successful professional career.